Tired of endless freelancing platforms filled with unqualified talent? Today, we're diving into the rigorous process of getting approved on Toptal, a platform renowned for its commitment to quality. It's tough, but being accepted unlocks access to premium projects and clients. First, the initial screening tests. These are designed to quickly filter out applicants who don't meet the basic requirements. Expect to be tested on your problem-solving skills, technical abilities, and communication. Nail these and you move on. Next up, the interview stages. This is where you'll showcase your experience and expertise. Be prepared for multiple rounds of interviews, including technical assessments and portfolio reviews. This is your chance to shine, demonstrating your understanding and explaining your thought process. A crucial part of the process is your portfolio assessment. You'll need to submit a portfolio that showcases your best work, projects, and skills. The Toptal team will evaluate your design, problem-solving abilities, and their overall fit with their quality standards. The entire process is intense and is meant to take a few weeks. Be prepared to invest time in your application. Your persistence, your preparation, your skills are what will make you get accepted. Congratulations, you're in. Having gone through the entire process, you are now associated with top-tier talent. You can now access the Toptal client and freelancer ecosystem and level up your freelancing career.